All right, so here's the thing. We're at the record. Here's the thing. It's your decision. This is what I'm telling you, and I want you to hear me and internalize what I'm saying. It was done. They did GPS. All right, on this case, she hasn't entered a plea, has she?
Not yet, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2017 CR 6646B, State versus Amari Greenwood. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Alma Benavides from Miss Greenwood.
And are you Miss Greenwood?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Miss Greenwood, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Amari Raisha Greenwood who was placed on community supervision in 2000?
This case of State versus Amari Greenwood starts like many probation revocation hearings, but something's different. A young woman facing jail time claims she's turned her life around. The question is, will the judge believe her?
2017 CR 6646B for the offense of theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000 on January 24th, 2023 for a term of 2 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Amari Raisha Greenwood, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August, October, and November 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Amari Raisha Greenwood, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, and May of 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. We waive and abandon the remainders, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to 4 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 4 and 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violations 4 and 4 true. Is there opposed agreement?
Judge, there is, after conferring with probation, the recommendation is to deny the state's motion, extend the defendant for 1 year, alter and amend her conditions for SADIF, followed by aftercare, an updated TAP evaluation to be performed in custody, monthly UAs upon release, and sober support meetings.
All right. What has she done on probation? Has she done anything?
Judge, I do want to point out the top evaluation was already complete. That was done last month, and that is the new recommendation is for the SADF.
I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. Let me just tell you why. This is not your first motion to revoke. And it's the same thing. And in 2023, you were here for a motion to revoke and a TAP evaluation.
Notice the judge's tone, firm but almost disappointed. She's seen this before, repeated violations, missed reports, and broken promises. But Greenwood's emotional apology and talk of self-improvement might just shift this entire hearing in her favor.
It was done. They did GPS. So, I mean, what have you been doing since then? You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Amari Raisha Greenwood.
All right, so what have you done since you've been on probation?
I got my GED.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, ma'am. I am in school currently. I'm going to cosmetology school, and I enrolled in Southern University, working in my associate's degree. I understand that I messed up, and I'm truly sorry. I'm not the same person I was last time you saw me. I totally wanted to turn around in my life. I'm tired of this. I'm almost 30. I just want to move forward with my life. I understand I messed up. Yes, I just truly want to move forward. And in between time, I was going through a lot. It's not an excuse because that wouldn't make it. It didn't make a difference. But I truly am a different person, and I have stuff going on out there. And I do not want to be locked up. I'm tired of this. I just want to move forward.
Okay. All right, off the record for a moment.
We got, condition.
All right. So here's the thing. They want you to be continued. I can continue you. I don't know if you're going to be successful on this or not,
Yes, ma'am.
or I can send you to the state jail facility for 180 days. And the reason why I'm saying 180 days is because of the fact that you've obtained your GED, and I'm glad you're on the right track, and that you have, worked towards rehabilitating yourself. So this is what you need to think long and hard about. The 180 days, you do your 180 days, you'll be done. You get credit for whatever time that you've previously done, or you're going to continue to be on probation. You're already on regular probation, which means this is already a felony conviction. So if you want to discuss that with your attorney, you can. And if you want to talk to them to see how much time she has.
She has, I believe, Judge, according to probation, she has 227 days credit.
Well, what I can tell you is, because this is a state jail felony case, they may release you from the jail, but legally what they're going to do is they're going to take you and process you at the state jail facility. And if you have credit that's beyond 180 days, they'll release you from the state jail facility.
You want to do that?
All right. So here's the thing. We're at the record. Here's the thing. It's your decision. This is what I'm telling you. And I want you to hear me and internalize what I'm saying. For a lot of people, going to the state jail facility, going to the Bexar County jail, going to prison, that's a frightening experience, right? We don't know what's going to happen. But what I can tell you is I'm willing to sentence you to 180 days at the state jail facility. State jail facility, that's day for day time. What everybody is telling me is that you've already satisfied that time. But because it's a state jail facility, normally and legally, they don't release you. They're not supposed to release you from the Bexar County jail. Now, I've heard situations where people have been released from the Bexar County jail, even though they're supposed to be processed through the state jail facility. What I'm telling you is legally, they're supposed to take you to the state jail facility, process you. They'll see that you have enough days for the judgment to be satisfied, and they'll release you from the state jail facility. Otherwise, you're going to be on probation in this court for another 2 years.
I'll do the 186.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
Well, not I guess. So if you want me to give you the 180 days, then that's something that you're asking me to do. That's something that your counsel is asking me to do. And I think the state is going to be asking me to do that. And do you want me to follow that?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is finding violations of 4 and 4 true. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. The court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition.
In the end, Amari Greenwood chooses 180 days in state jail, trading 2 more years of probation for a clean slate. A rare moment of accountability and closure. What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom moments.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You don't have probation hanging over your head, but you still need to remain vigilant, because otherwise you're going to end up right back here. Don't be celebrating, woo, I'm off of probation. Ooh, I'm out of jail, because that's when you start backsliding. So write down what your program is for your life and follow that program. And anybody who tries to stray you from that path, you need to kick them to the curb. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll be here. If I'm here when you get out and you can't find what you're looking for, you can come back here and we can look online and find a place for you. Okay?
It's fine.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Good to see you.
You
Thank
too.